Hey everyone, you've heard of the saying, work smart, not hard. Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you some Work Smart worksheets from the 2018 Direct Sales Planner that's really going to help you work your direct sales business much smarter. Okay, so I'm Gail Bates, CEO of MyMentorBiz.com, and I am the creator of the Direct Sales Planner system. This is a great system. It is customized and designed specifically for direct sellers to help them have a calendar full of bookings and also help you grow and build a very strong personal team. So today I'm sharing with you, there's a section in the back where it tells you exactly the number of worksheets you can have. Now, the size of this planner is a 9x7, and it has a lovely hardcover, as you can see, and it's a great size to fit in your purse. It's a great size to put at your checkout table, at your parties when you're checking out, so that people can actually see how you work in your business. And that's part of the planner system that I share with you. But today I'm going to go over the back of the worksheets because it will really share with you how to work your business and tell you about a bonus that I have when you purchase the Direct Sales Planner. So the first worksheet we have in here is called the After Party Summary Worksheet. Now, I don't know about you, but when I held my parties, every time I came home from a party, I would review exactly what happened at that party. And if the sales weren't exactly what I wanted, I know I'd go back to my hostess coaching, or I'd go back to how many guests attended. And that's what the After Party Summary Worksheet's about. You want to go through, you actually name the hostess, the party date, the closing date, the results that happened, which were the total sales, the number of bookings, the recruit leads you got, and the profit you made. You're able to put down the guest's name, if they booked, all of the information in your after party summary. So this is one of the greatest worksheets that I worked with. And if you like working with worksheets, personally, you're going to see exactly how you can improve each party by actually doing a review on the after party. Now, the next worksheet that's in here is the Facebook party worksheet. And Facebook parties are a big deal today, as you know. And so what I'm seeing and what I have created for you, because Facebook parties do take a lot more work than an in-home party, I will tell you that. And you know, once you get through that technology, they can be very, very successful. So what this worksheet is laid out for you to show you what tasks to do before the party, during the party, after the party, and then how to schedule your comments and your posts and your booking seeds and your recruiting seeds and your live videos and your concierge checkouts. These are things that are designed to help you have a successful Facebook party. So that's a great worksheet for you to be working on for your parties. Now, the next one is what is the hostess coaching checklist. And of course, I'm sure you probably have your own checklist, but if you don't, I have a specific system on hostess coaching in this planner, and it's a 3-connect system with the hostess. This is a foolproof system. It's proven because I've done it so many times, but it talks about what you do in the first connect, the second connect, and the third connect. And having all the hostess details, you can fill this out for every hostess that you're using, that you're working with right now, so you make sure that your party is successful. As you know, hostess coaching, having what I call a BFF, best friend forever relationship with your hostess is truly going to help you have a successful party. Now, the next list, there are 3 lists here. One's called the New Customer List Worksheet. One's called the New Hostess List Worksheet. And one's called the Prime Prospect Worksheet. Now, these are fabulous worksheets that's going to help you grow your business and expand your business. You want to have, set yourself a goal. How many new customers do you want in the next 3 months? Set yourself that goal, get that list worked out in front of you, put it in a binder, and start to grow your business with new customers. And of course, that's all about doing trade shows, vendor events, getting out there, building relationships online, and getting new customers. The new hostess list, you want to, again, set a goal. How many new hostesses do you want in the next 3 months? That's truly going to grow your business, because one hostess introduces you to 6 to 8 to 10 to 12 to 20 new people, depending on if you're having an in-home party or a Facebook party. So this is a great list for you to work on. And of course, the prime prospect list. When I work with my coaching clients, each one of them has a prime prospect list, and we work on that prime prospect list because, my job is to help you build a very strong and dynamic team to build, and that's what I do. I help people build $1 million teams because that's what I did. And so we do that with this one amazing worksheet called the Prime Prospect List Worksheet. And then we have 2 other worksheets. One is called the Monthly Expense Worksheet. And I've written a blog post about this, so make sure you go to my blog and write about this, because I see that so many people are saying, I don't know if I'm making any money in my business. Well, if you're tracking your income and you're tracking your receipts, you're going to know exactly if you're making money in your business. And we have a business recap sheet at the end of every month for you to do that in this planner. And then the savings plan worksheet. Okay, this is a great one because I'm a big proponent of saving money, especially from every party. And you can come up with a savings plan to attend a convention. You can come up with a savings plan to take the kids on a vacation. Whatever it is, it's setting up and having a worksheet for that is really going to help you have a very profitable business. So those are my Work Smart worksheets that are actually in the back of the Direct Sales Planner. However, as I said, this is a 9x7 planner. And so the bonus for you, if you order the planner now, you will get a PDF free printable that will have the 8x11 worksheets in it, so that you can print those out and really be fitting them into an 8x11 binder to help you grow your business. We have only have 100 of these, and we're already on our way to being sold out. So go to my website at www.mymentorbiz.com/direct sales planner, and you'll be able to see more information on this great planner. Have a great day, and I hope you are planning a very profitable business, direct selling business in 2018.